Yohana, I think both of us know that I can be indecisive most of the time. But if there is one decision in my life that I know for sure is the right one, it's to spend the rest of my life with you.
You show me how comfortable and enjoyable all love could be. Every day I thank God for us as I take you to be my husband. From this day forward, I promise you to always be on your side as your number one supporter.
Demikianlah mereka bukan lagi dua, melainkan satu. Karena itu apa yang telah dipersatukan Allah tidak boleh diceraikan manusia.
I will say I love you and hug you every morning and every night, no matter what the circumstances are. No matter if I'm being angry, if I'm being sad, I will still love you and hug you every single morning and every single night because you deserve it.
I promise to keep on learning to be a better partner for you, to care for you and to lift you up when you're down, to appreciate you and say better words to you since you're so sensitive. In joy and in sorrow, in richness and in poor, and even if you ever and will be annoying or ignorant to me or angry, and even if you ever disappoint me, I promise before God that I'll choose over and over again to still love you.
I will love you through sickness and health, through rich and poor, through trials and blessings, through any situations, through any seasons in my life, in our lives. I will be with you and I will love you until death do us apart.